Hello everyone, my name is Lisandrea Bernal Romero. I'm 31 years old. I am studying the fourth semester of Health Administration. I am living in Cota with my husband Hector, my two daughters Melanie and Sarai, and we also have a little dog named Lana. Colombia is a country full of beautiful and hardworking people. Where women are some of the most beautiful in the universe. And we have lived personally, so shows the novel Gabriel Garcia Marquez, the soccer player James Rodriguez, and very famous singers like Shakira, Juanes, and Carlos Vives. Among the cool climates is Bogotá, with beautiful landscapes, flowers, and animals. The typical dishes for this city are sancocho and ajiaco. They is prepared with chicken breast, potato, cucumbers, and wascas. Between our touristic places, we can find the Hill of Montserrat, ideal place for the reflection and enjoyment on the nature, sport and gastronomy. The planetarium is cultural and scientific, place located in the International Center of Bogotá and Plaza de Bolívar, where we can find some of the main buildings of the city like the Justice Palace, the National Capitol, the Primate Cathedral of Colombia, the Chapel of the Tabernacle, the Archbishop's Palace, and the headquarters of the Bogotá City Hall. This description is really because our country is really beautiful. The people are friendly and helpful. Landscapes are amazing. And our culture is diverse to resume in a simple paragraph. So to is my invitation to come know our country.